Welcome to Lesson 5 of the Take Care Utah database tutorial series. Today we're going to be going over how to complete a Medicaid assessment. First, you're going to want to go to the client profile. Right here we have a client, and we are going to go over to the Medicaid and CHIP application. We are going to start a new one, so I'm going to go ahead and add a new application. It'll automatically fill out the start date for me, and then there are a couple of questions that I need to answer. The first question is, how many non-pregnant adults are applying? In this, I will say 1. It'll ask how many pregnant women are applying. We'll say 0. If I was going to put 1, then I would put the estimated delivery date. It's going to ask me how many children are applying for either Medicaid or CHIP. I'll go ahead and put 2. And then it will ask, when is the application submitted? So we'll go ahead and say that the application was submitted today. If you click this little green button right here, it'll automatically fill in today's date. The rest of these questions I can't answer because I don't know the information for it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just hit save. And here under today's date, we can see that there is a Medicaid application with a start date, but we can also see that there is no end date for it. After a week or so, when we get the results of our Medicaid application, we can go ahead and edit this information so that we can fill out the rest of it. And the way we do this is by clicking the little pencil right here, which means edit. We can see the questions that I've already answered, and we can look at the status of this application. Where it was submitted, now we're going to have to say whether it was approved or denied. In this case, we'll say it is approved. That 1 adult was enrolled into Medicaid. We did not have any pregnant women, so we'll put a 0 there. Nobody was enrolled into emergency Medicaid, so we'll put a 0. And then it'll ask us for the number of children that were enrolled in either Medicaid or CHIP. And in this case, we'll say 2 of the children were enrolled in Medicaid, none of the children were enrolled in CHIP. If there are any notes at any time during the process, you can enter them here. Most importantly, we need to hit an end date. Since we know that the application has been submitted and we've gotten the eligibility results back, we will just go ahead and say that today is the end date, and we will save. This shows us here under the Medicaid and CHIP application page that we started and finished a Medicaid and CHIP application.